traders, as promised, I'm doing a backtest video Friday night. I understand a lot of people don't watch this, and clearly I'm still doing this, so it's really for my benefit only. I was actually, if you're new to this video and you're like, what is this all about? This is a strategy testing software called Forex Tester 3. If you'd like to purchase this, there is a link in the description. Yes, I make 25% of the sale, but you save $70. And honestly, I have been privileged enough to be in a forum, Naked Forex Now, with Walter Peters and other traders that come and go on through it, but a lot of them, the really good ones, backtest a lot. Okay, it's like a flight simulator for trading. Okay, it's quite, especially in Forex, you've really got to have a defined edge because there's so much money traded, and typically by big institutions and companies. So you've got to be very careful. You've got to know your strategy well. All right, so there was no trade last session. I'm doing this now. It's not too late. I'm a little tired, but I'm going to do this. We've done 52 months, which is 1,584 days. Our return negative 1.16%, and probability 50% win rate. So nothing really spectacular. Nothing really spectacular. I just wanna have a good time. Alright, let's peruse the daily chart. Now also, guys, you saw I put up a previous video on the USD yen. It must have been on Instagram I was talking about. I swear I made a YouTube video, but it was not featured in my update. I was sort of more focused on the euro. The euro is looking bullish again, so yeah, it's not a sell trade. USD yen, again, I missed that little move that I could have captured a little bit of money, but it's not really. It would have only been about $30 or $40. So, and I knew that going into it, and I just had to go to bed in the end. I did quite a lot yesterday, and today was a big day. So for me to stay up at 1 a.m., wake up at 6, had a course for work, you get assessed on it. I sort of have to be a little bit coherent. I can't just be a zombie. So, well, I could really. I had to take pre-workout. So, but I try not to do that. I get heart palpitations if I do that, and I get shakes. So, there's a limit to how much I'll compromise my health for fucking trading. So you got to find your limit, and that's my limit. All right, so the daily is choppy right here. We might see a little bit of consolidation, a bit of a range bound price action presented, or we'll just wait and see. But currently, there's definitely no real trade in near sight. To be fair. We'll see. So like I said, we'll go to 54. I just like to keep, it was originally 3 months, but 2 months seems to really, seems to work. And I like even numbers over the odds as well. I don't know, I'm just a bit OCD. So we've cracked support here at 1.2818. No, Scott, goddamn you, fucker. All right, so we're looking for some expansion. It's gonna have some water here. This is interesting. Look, that's probably tradable. How's a daily? It's close. How close is it? That's really frustrating. I bet what will happen is that I won't take this and it'll just crash through. How well is the support defined? That's what I want to know. I'm going to take this trade. Wouldn't really say it's with the rules, but it's a little bit dicey. I might close this out early. If it bounces, I might just close it. Calculated risk, a little bit discreet. I've already got the calculator. Again, guys, I apologize. I'm just a little bit fatigued. What I like is this breakout. It's broken through these lows here. I like that, depending on still stop. And shout out to the guys, and if I don't think there are any females that watch this. If there are, good on you, but that's why I say guys a lot. But that can mean both. That can mean female and male. I just wanted to say shout out to anyone watching this Friday night or wherever you are. It's Friday, so I do it, working away. Big days, but it's like a treat to come into the office and just. Oh no, that wasn't what I wanted. See if that lot sizing is wrong. This is why you really shouldn't. Oh no, it is. It is. I got the lot sizing correct. All right, that still be active though. So this is why you probably don't want to backtest when you're a little bit tired. I think that's right. Was it 4? It was 4. Yeah, that's right, because it was 23 stop loss. This is up at the 55-day moving average. You can either pick here or there, but I like this because it covers up here as well. So again, it's a little bit discretionary. This comes just with hours and hours and hours of backtesting though as well. Okay. It's going to close it. Yeah. It's got to really break within the first few candles. Like this is just, you know, to me it's a bit hesitant. And now it's just not wanting to cooperate. The screams sideways price action. Oh, it cracks. Is that tradable? That's tradable. This would probably have been the most ideal. I didn't quite get there. It's nice when there's a little bit of activity as well. 198, we'll put it down there. That's going to have to be changed. My calculations are actually for a $10,000 account, so I'm a little bit off, but it's alright. Alright, to enable this. Pardon me. Pizza tonight, I apologize. It's digesting. Oh, it was. Okay. Yeah, look. Playable. It's going to close out there. I'm back, guys. Hopefully that just takes me back. I accidentally pressed pause on the video. I'm just trying to ascertain this. Alright. I just don't like this. That breaks the 20-day moving average. We close out. Alright. I'm glad I kept it real. That, see guys, is my absolute complete impatience. Fuck, I'm terrible. Was it 50? I think I might have gone over here, guys. I thought it was 52 to 54. That's what I thought. We'll go to 54. Yeah, we'll go to 54. I'll save this up. And we'll go to 54. So at 53.42. I think it was 52. Look, but in the video, it's been about 10 minutes, guys. I'll log when I took these trades. We had a cancelled order, and we also had about a 2% gainer. So we're back in the profits at 0.81% return. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a nice night and a great weekend as well. Bye.